So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 217, contain duplicates. In this video we are going to solve this problem using brute force approach with instead loop. This solution is very beginner friendly, which help us to understand the array comparison with logic clarity. So let's start with the problem statement first. We are given an integer called numbers. Our task is to check whether an element appears more than once. If it consists duplicate, return 0, otherwise return the false. Suppose number is equals to 1, 2, 3, 1 repeat twice, so it becomes the true. Another example, 1, 2, 3, 4, it contains only unique number, so it returns the false. The brute force approach idea is very simple. For every element we compare it with the remaining element in the array. If we found two equal elements, then it means duplicate consist and return true immediately. If there is no duplicate or contain unique value pairs, we return false. Let's move with the code. Int n equals to numbers dot size for int I equals to 0 to I is less than n minus 1 I plus plus. Another loop we will consist for loop I initialize j is less than n j plus plus if numbers of I is equals to numbers of j, then return true or return false. So this is the basic code for this question. First we calculate the size of the array using num equals to number of size. Now run the first loop. This loop selects the current element. Then inside the loop we run the another loop to check the comparison of the remaining element. Now inside the loop we check if the both elements are duplicate is found, we immediately return true. If it contains unique value pairs, then we immediately return false. So this is the basic solution code for this question, and the time complexity is O into n raised to 2 and place complexity is O into 1, since we are not using any extra space. And for time complexity, because for every element we compare it with all remaining elements. So thank you. So that was the brute force solution for 217 contains duplicate question.